Good morning, ladies and gentlemen. Today we are on page 193 of your student journal, and our goal is, today I will multiply whole numbers by fractions. Okay, so our vocabulary today reminds us what a factor is, and it's the numbers that we multiply together to get our answer, which is called a product. So factor times a factor equals a product. They remind us what a unit fraction is, and then they show us what repeated addition is. Our steps today are really long, ladies and gentlemen. I don't know if I'm going to quite follow these steps, so I'm just going to show you, I think, an easier version of doing these. Okay, so I'm going to get started. Here is my first one, and it says use a number line to find the product of 4 times 3/5. Okay, so they want a number line. Okay, so what I have to remember when I do a number line is each whole number gets divided. So because my denominator is a 5, that means each whole number needs to be divided into 5 parts. Now, on this number line, I'm not going to go just 0 to 1 because I don't know how long I'm going to go, so I'm going to maybe put 1 here. Okay, so this 1, 0 to 1, has to be partitioned or divided into 5 parts. Okay, and this would be 1/5, 2/5, 3/5, 4/5, 5/5. Okay. Now, what this is telling me is they want me to do 4 times 3/5. So they want me to do a jump of 3/5 4 times. Well, if I'm going to do 3/5 4 times, I think my number line is going to need to go much farther. So I might add another one on there. So if I do 1 to 2, it also has to be divided into 5 parts. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. And if I do 2 to 3, it also has to be divided into 5 parts. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So if that was 5/5, this is 6/5, 7/5, 8/5, 9/5, 10/5, 11/5, 12/5, 13/5, 14/5, and 15/5. And again, I'm not sure if that's long enough. I might have had to go longer. Okay, so what they want me to do is they want me to do 3/5 4 times. Okay, so 3/5, that is 3/5. I made one jump to 3/5. And 3/5 was 1, 2, 3. So I jumped 3 of them. But they want me to jump 4, they want 4 of those. So now let's jump 3 again. 1, 2, 3 would be, I'm going to jump there again. So I jumped 1, 2, 3. Let's jump 3 again. 1, 2, 3 would be here. And 1, 2, 3 would be there. So I did 3/5 4 times. 1, 2, 3, 4 jumps of 3/5. And I ended up at 12/5, and that is my answer. Okay, let's see another one. Okay, here it says use an area model to find the product of 3 times 4, 6. Okay, so they want 4, 6, so I can draw 4, 6. 4, 6 means I partitioned it into 6 pieces. And I have 4 of them. 1, 2, 3, 4. But they want me to do this 3 times. They want 3, 4, 6. So let's do another one. So 1, 2, 3, 4. And let's do another one. Okay, so I have 4, 6, another 4, 6, and another 4, 6. So I have 3 of them. Well, if that's 4, because this is 1, 6, 1, 6, 1, 6, 1, 6. This is 1, 6, 1, 6, 1, 6, 1, 6. This is 1, 6, 1, 6, 1, 6, 1, 6. So if I have 4, and then I have 4 more, and I have 4 more, I have 12 sixths total. So my answer would be 12 sixths. Okay, let's try some together. We are on page 194. And our first one says, use a number line to find the product of 2 times 4/5. Okay, so they want a number line. Okay, so I'm going to tell you on this one, let's make our number line just to 2. That will be long enough. So 0, 1, and 2. Okay, now remember the denominator 5 means each whole number is divided into 5 parts. Not your whole number line, but each number. So that means from 0 to 1, I need to partition or divide it into 5 parts. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and then from 1 to 2, this whole number needs to be partitioned into 5 parts. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Okay, so then our denominator is going to be 5. So we have 1/5, 2/5, 3/5, 4/5, 5/5, 6/5, 7/5, 8/5, 9/5, and 10/5. Okay, so they want us to do 2 4/5. So we're going to do one jump to 4/5 where we jumped 1, 2, 3, 4, and then we're going to do another jump. 1, 2, 3, 4. So we're going to jump 1, 2, 3, 4. So we jumped 4/5 2 times, and we ended up at 8/5. Okay, let's try one more together. This says use an area model to find the product of 5 times 2/4. So we have 2/4. I might do circles this time. So I have 2 out of 4, but they want 5 of them. So 2, 3, 4, 5. So I have 2/4 one time, 2 times, 3 times, 4 times, and 5 times. That's what that says. So 2/4, 5 different times. Well, if this is 2, I have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. I actually have 10 pieces that are each a 1/4 big. So our answer is 10/4. Okay, so ladies and gentlemen, as you do yours, make sure you pay attention if it wants you to prove it with a number line or an area model, and have a nice day.